Hello guys, so right now we're at General Food Ligani. So I'm going to show you where I'm going. This is in Kingston. Yeah. And we are going to go do a little shopping. So just stay tuned to the video here and go and watch what I'm going. You see it? Remember to like, share and subscribe.
You don't know the story of the card with you happy about next media.
Lex Media. That's it. So basically, as you can see, we're going people. This is the liquor section, you see it? Whole heap of liquor and thing. They have a variety of liquor in here. Yeah guys, as I was showing earlier, this is the liquor section, you see it? They sell all type of liquor in here and things. So I'm just showing how I'm going, you see it? Right here now we have the vegetable section, fresh vegetables. You can get right to the little corner here. But a self-serve though, you have to serve yourself, you see it? You can pick up any fruits, anything, and help yourself. And I think a way you have a way. So you just take up what you take up and weigh. Everything look convenient in here, I'm not gonna lie. So these are our pimento seed. Yeah, pimento seed. So I'm just showing how I go and see way. So I never forgot a market when I'm there Ligani. One-stop shop for everything, you see it? Apple, mango, everything. See it here? You guys know what they call the apple here? So anybody will remember what they call these Jamaican apple? You can leave it in the comment section. But just show now how I go and see me, you see it? Go and watch how I go on. Oh, my G. Let's do a little vlog. Alright, yeah, man. Yeah. All section label up and thing, you see it up on the top there, so you can see different section, then you can go and get your thing them. So the place is very convenient, you see it? Yeah. That one sale. 900 beers, you know.
How much?
It's correct beer.
9,000?
You sure? No.
What?
A different, I'm not sure.
Could I so cheap? Which one?
Yeah, cheese fridge people. The fridge there, be cheese and dairy products. A little meat shop right there, so. Meat fridge. still a long time to shoot my video. And that section here for the dogs or whatsoever. See it? Dog feed and dog food, dog everything. So every section of its own, yeah, everything organized. That's the word I'm trying to tell you guys. Wow, them have nice cake in here, man. Wow, I'm loving this. Yeah, man, I'm really loving this. Them have pastry right here, so it's a good look. Yeah, man. So me say my first time in here, so I just go and watch how I go on, is it? Looking good, man. Wow. And you sell smoothie too? Oh, just them here when you sell anything, fruits and thing. Alright. But a little section here, you have the meat fridge, same way. Yeah, man, you have your pork, you have everything in here, so see that your pork. See the people, rainforest, seafood and thing. The fridge here now, you have your ice cream and everything. Still up on the meat and see, yeah? See that meat section? Yeah. See the guys have snapper and grunt in a fridge. Yeah. See that guy, everything labeled up. Fish section. See that? Chicken section. Yeah, ready to go food over there. Yeah, man, the place big, man. Big, man. Oh, but it's the ice cream section. That's a showing us everything organized in here, is it? You can get a car fluid and them thing right here, so you see it. Car aisle and then something, you see it? So this is where you would have come as a step in. Come right us and get your trolley and thing and see it. As me say, people, if you're there in Kingston and you want to do a little shopping grocery, yeah, man, right, I say you can come, man. You see it? Right, I look at me. Nah, I forgot no else, you see it? Everything convenient. Yeah, everything label up, you see? Everything will be labeled. Place super big, man, I tell you. Super big. And the cash register. Sorry. Place your cash. I count about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 places you can cash. Well convenient. So the baby section, you see? Below, all upstairs them have what? Fun and them thing there. Everything selling here, people, you see it? Everything selling here. See the people right now, they want like a signature spot. They look like some people come here and write their signature. So it's a good look, you see it? Yeah man, everything convenient in here as you can see what man. Everything convenient.
Wait, what that do?
Record.
Just record all?
Yeah.
Everything in there?
Yeah man, it's small and neat. 4K.
So like, where do I
search it. DJI Pocket 2. DJI Pocket 2. DJI Pocket 2.
Where am I?
You can search for Amazon.
Oh, so I'm going from Amazon for deliver and all them some of the...
Yeah. Take my number. Take my number.
You give her your link?
When she get my number and text me,
Yes,
you can send it
miss?
to her.
Yeah?
So I just
No, man, so go ahead, put them through, I'm coming.
come.
Okay.
Yeah, so I just did a little vlog today, you know, because I'm a vlogger today, you know. So the place nice,
So I
man.
can put this contrast just to how much they don't have to
Yeah, and the first time I come in here, 422
know. 4, 2, 2,
41 85.
8,
Yeah, man.
and yours?
Dex Media.
Dex,
Yeah.
Media.
Yeah.
And what is it name?
DJI. DJI. Yeah. Pocket. Yeah. 2.
2? As
Yeah.
in number 2?
Yeah. That's the version. Yeah.
So
Yeah.
this, if I go on this, must go on Instagram?
Yeah, you can just search Dex Media anyway.
On
I'm a
Instagram
photographer. Yes, I'm
or-
a photographer.
Oh,
Yeah. Alright.
all the
So
best.
you could just give me a little view. That's something more please. Give me a little view.
No.
If you're shy, come here, shy, you know.
Yeah.
Alright.
Alright,
Yeah, man, bless up. Yeah. Yeah, guys, somebody was tell her about me, my business, and about the little camera that I use to do my YouTube video.
We just started fixing the old part. Take care.
Alright, take care. See the guys, we're leaving the compound now. I feel like crying, okay? So guys, please remember to like, share and subscribe. And let me know if you guys enjoy this video or any recommendation, you leave it in the comment section. Thank you, Dex Media. Over here, very busy guys. As I'm so going, the vehicle I'm coming in. Yeah man, very busy.